guys, today I'm just doing this quick get ready with me. This is what I did when I attended the Black Radiance launch, and I met a lot of my supporters. So yeah, as you can see, I just started off the video doing my eyebrows. Nothing that you've never seen before. I do have a recent, you know, detailed eyebrow tutorial, so go ahead and check that out. Of course, it's like updated because I've done a lot of eyebrow tutorials in the past, so that's what I'm doing here. And of course, you know, I'm gonna list all the products to use in the description box. But yeah, I just want to, you know, just thank all my supporters that actually came out, and you know, I got a chance to talk to you. We just, you know, had a little moment. That was really nice. I really appreciate the support, guys. Genuinely, I really do. So yeah, as you can see right here, I just went ahead and basted my eyes, and I'm going into my Modern Renaissance palette. I'm taking Burnt Orange, which, yes, this is very light for my skin tone, but I really wanted to start off things subtle in terms of the transition. So I started off with a really light shade, and then I went in with Red Ochre, and as you can see, I'm using a very fluffy brush to just make sure that all the colors are well diffused. And yeah, I think I went on top of that with Venetian Red. And now I'm going into my new Tude palette, and I'm taking Serious, and this is just a very dark black matte, a very dark matte black eyeshadow. I'm not sure what the name of that shade is, but I'm gonna put it in the description box. And I just packed this on to my lid. This is what I use all over my lid. I was going to do a cut crease initially, and then I was like, nah, yeah. So after doing that, I went on to just lining my eyes, and today I felt like doing a wing. And let me know if you guys want to see an updated wing liner tutorial. It's been a while since I've done one of that. Just let me know. You know, wing liner for beginners. I know a lot of people struggle with the wing. You know, I've done I did an eyelash tutorial recently, so that's always linked in my description box. So now let me know if you guys need a updated wing liner tutorial. Alright, so here you can see I'm done with eyes for now, and I'm just focusing on the face. I use my PETITE-SUE Sistar Cosmetics concealers in golden beige and tan. I blended the two together, and these are what I'm using in the highlighted points of my face. I move on to setting these areas with my Sacha Buttercup powder, and after doing this, I'm using my Milani press powder in Warm 109. I moved on to contouring. I'm using the True Complexion contour palette from Black Radiance. This is absolutely one of my most recent favorites from Black Radiance. Really love it. I did a little bit of baking because I wanted to line my lower lash line on my eyes and stuff. So I'm taking the same gel liner, and then I'm smoking that out with Serious, yes, the same black eyeshadow, because I wanted that nice smoky lower lash line effect. So I didn't want any of that to fall out on my face, so putting powder beneath the eyes was very helpful. Now I'm just gonna set everything, and I'm using my PETITE-SUE setting spray from Sistar Cosmetics, and then I go over that with my, you know, illuminator, which is Sugar Daddy from Artist Couture. Alright, just to finish up this look, I'm taking Squad Goals. I'm sorry my face was off camera, but yeah, taking Squad Goals from Lena Cosmetics, and I also lined my lips with, you know, a random brown liner, and then I went over top of that with a clear lip gloss. This is from Victoria's Secret. And that is pretty much it for the makeup. I moved on to just, you know, combing out my hair. I recently did a video of how I colored this hair, guys. I'm gonna link it in the description box, so go ahead, check that out. It's from RPG here, this wig. It's a wig. I'm gonna go ahead and link it down below. Check it out. But yeah, guys, that's it for today's video. I really hope you enjoyed it. If you did, go ahead and give it a thumb up, and don't forget to make use of all my discount codes as usual. Also, I really want you guys to just let me know what you want me to do for my next video. You know, having you guys input is always so helpful. And yeah, so I'll see you guys in my next video. Until then, I'm your girl Petite. Bye.